I created this movie poster. I created this one and this one as well using just simple Nano Banana prompt, guys. So welcome to my document right here where I prepare all the prompts that we need to use in our video and get everything done. So first of all, we're going to be using the first prompt, and this is also going to be giving us something amazing. Now note, not everything right here is about movie posters, so take note of that. So click on the Nano Banana, create image and paste. Now always remember to change it from fast to thinking for comprehensive result and go ahead and upload your reference image. So I'm going to be using my reference image, and for this tutorial I'll be using this all through. Then after your reference image is loaded, go ahead and submit. And within few seconds, Nano Banana start processing. We have our image created. Now this is an infamous place. This is Dubai, a man standing in a miniature city. He's more like a giant inside a river. The details, the shadow, and everything is literally on point, guys. So you can go ahead and use your own picture to try something like this. Moving up, you're going to be using the prompt 2. Over here, just go ahead and copy the prompt 2. And then let us head back to Gemini Nano Banana Pro. Paste it as usual. Now, this prompt also require a reference image. So let us go ahead and upload the reference image we have over here. You can upload your own personal image or let Gemini get someone for you. Now I have submitted that. Within a few seconds, Nano Banana Pro is now loading images for us. And this is our result. Now this is more of a chaotic battle naval. Now this is more like a ship, a battleground where people just come and then they're attacking immediately. You can see the detail, the texture, the lightning, and even the sun rays is just literally on point, guys. So these are the stuff that people pay thousands of dollars to get done. But yeah, Nano Banana just did that for us for free. And moving on, we're going to be copying the next prompt over here and head back to Gemini and paste it. Now remember, the single image that I sent as the reference image is now being captured by Nano Banana Pro, keeping all the faces consistent, and that is one amazing thing about Nano Banana Pro, guys. Let us give you a few seconds to load up and give us the result we're waiting for. Now this is something similar to what we just discussed, but then on a different scale. This is a whole another person on a pirate ship that just landed and they're about to take over. You can see the flag and everything. Now moving forward, let us go ahead and use the fifth prompt, guys. I really don't want to waste time in this video. I'll be swift with you guys so you all know how we get this done, guys. So paste this, and I have something interesting to show you guys after this video. And if you skip that, then the whole purpose of the video is missed. And Nano Banana Pro is now loading to give us a cinematic vertical medium shot of a rugged pirate assassin. Guys, let me not cast everything and bingo. Now we have a full detail movie poster. Now, if you watch Assassin's Creed, this might resonate to you because this is how it looks like. A pirate, a warrior. This is just good. You can see the sword, the gun, the detail, everything, the whole body texture, the whole lightning, the whole weather stuff is just literally on point. Now, like I say, this is what people pay a lot of money for, but you can get it done for you on Nano Banana Pro for free. So heading up right here, let us get on with the next prompt, guys. I am not wasting much time because I'm just explaining more of prompt, and there's something that we're going to be doing together. Now, you can always upload a reference image if you want to. It's cool. These prompts are usually gotten from a Telegram group called AI Gemini. So I want to give shout out to them and credit to them as is due. All right. Now, this is another amazing prompt of a warrior attacking another one. Now, this particular prompt, I want to go ahead and read this particular prompt for you all to listen. A hyperdynamic freeze frame cinematic composition depicting a high velocity aerial assassination, guys. So this is actually an assassination. Now, if you watch Assassin's Creed, you can still relate to this, or you play the game, you can fully relate to this. Now, moving on to the last prompt of today that we're going to be using today, let us copy this and head back to Gemini over here and paste and send. Now, immediately, Nano Banana Pro start loading your images for you guys. So let us see this. We have just 7 prompts to explore in this video, and I'll be keeping at that for now. And bingo. Now, this is just literally amazing. Now this is a very beautiful city at night, cars moving and stuff, and this particular man is sleeping right in front of the street. And the cars are miniature, the people are miniature, but the building are okay, and the man is giant, guys. This is a high value picture that people actually pay money to big editors to do it for, but Nano Banana Pro get us done free. Now you can see right here, we have reached your Nano Banana Pro limit image that will be created. Now, to resolve this particular reach, let me show you something. I made this particular video for that purpose, and in this video, you can watch and know how to use it unlimited as long as you want. There's no limit to creating this, it's totally free. And if you have watched this very extent, please go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, tell me what you think about this prompt, and they're available in the Telegram community. See you all next time.